In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find foreclosure properties on Zillow 2026 guide. Start on the Zillow homepage. In the main search bar, type the city, zip code, or neighborhood you want to target, then press enter. Zillow will load a results page for that area, and you'll see properties on both the list and the interactive map. This gives you a quick sense of what's available, but since we're focusing on distressed opportunities, we'll narrow things down with filters so you're only looking at relevant listings. At the top of the page, click the button labeled More or More Filters. A filter panel opens with a range of options. Scroll through that panel until you reach a section called Listing Type. This section is important because Zillow separates special categories here, including distressed and non-traditional sale types, so you don't have to wade through standard for sale listings. Next, expand the available categories. Click Show. More to reveal everything in that section. Look for the option labeled Foreclosures and check that box. On Zillow, foreclosures typically bundles pre-foreclosures, auctions, and bank-owned or real estate-owned properties. That grouping matters. Pre-foreclosures often reflect a notice of default and may not yet be available for traditional showings. Auctions are time-specific and come with bidding rules and terms. Bank-owned homes are properties the lender has repossessed and is now selling, usually with a clearer path to closing. By selecting foreclosures, you bring these stages into one streamlined view so you can evaluate opportunities faster. When you've made your selection, scroll to the bottom of the filter menu and click Apply. The panel closes, the page refreshes, and your results update to show only properties currently listed as foreclosure opportunities in the area you chose. If you want to broaden or refine what you're seeing later, you can return to More or More filters and adjust the listing type while keeping the same location in place. As you review the refreshed results, do a quick scan of the map to spot clusters where activity is higher and look at the labels on the listing cards. You'll often see tags like auction or pre-foreclosure, along with notes about timing or special conditions. Keep in mind that foreclosure data can update on a different schedule than standard listings, and prices shown, especially on pre-foreclosures, may be placeholders or estimates tied to outstanding debt. Availability, access, and timelines can also vary by state and lender, so always read the property page details carefully and verify critical dates. And that is all for today. Adjusting these filters is the most efficient way to track foreclosure listings in your target market. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in